Hello, curious minds. Today we're going to ask a wild question. What if we're living inside a black hole? Yes, you heard that right. Not next to one, not far away from one, but right inside a black hole. Buckle up, because this is going to be a cosmic ride. What is a black hole anyway? Let's start with the basics. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong, nothing can escape. Not even light. That's why it's called a black hole. If you fall in, you're not coming out. It's like the universe's ultimate vacuum cleaner. But instead of dust bunnies, it sucks up stars and planets. Black holes form when really big stars run out of fuel. They collapse under their own gravity. The result is a tiny, super heavy point called a singularity. Around it, there's an invisible border called the event horizon. If you cross that line, you're toast, or maybe spaghetti. Scientists call it spaghettification. No, I'm not making that up. The big idea: our universe. Inside a black hole. Now, here comes the twist. Some scientists think our whole universe might be inside a black hole. That's right. Everything we see, the stars, the planets, your grandma's cat, could be floating inside a giant cosmic trap. It sounds like science fiction, but let's see why some smart people take this idea seriously. How could that even work? Let's imagine you're a tiny alien living in a black hole. You look around. Do you see darkness? Nope. You see stars, galaxies, and maybe other aliens waving at you. That's because the inside of a black hole could look a lot like our universe. When a black hole forms, it creates a new space inside it. Some physicists think this space could grow and stretch. It could even become a whole new universe. So, our universe might have started as the inside of a black hole in another universe. Talk about cosmic nesting dolls. 1. The Big Bang and black holes look alike. Our universe began with a Big Bang. It started small, hot, and dense. Then it expanded. Guess what? The inside of a black hole also starts small, hot, and dense. Then space inside it can expand. It's like the universe and black holes are cousins. 2. Gravity gets weird. Gravity in a black hole is super strong. It bends space and time like a pretzel. In our universe, gravity also bends space and time. Maybe the same rules apply inside a black hole and in our universe. Maybe we're just living in one big gravity experiment. 3. The event horizon is a one-way door. Remember the event horizon? It's the point of no return. Some scientists think the edge of our universe acts like an event horizon. Nothing from outside can get in. Nothing from inside can get out. Sounds familiar, right? What would life be like inside a black hole? Let's get practical. What would change if we lived in a black hole? Would your morning coffee taste different? Would your phone finally get good signal? Let's find out. 1. Time moves differently. Near a black hole, time slows down. If you hang out near the edge, you age slower than your friends far away. Inside a black hole universe, maybe time moves in strange ways. Maybe that's why Mondays feel so long. 2. Space gets twisted. Black holes twist space. They can stretch things out or squash them. Maybe that's why my jeans never fit right after laundry day. In a black hole universe, space could be curved in ways we don't notice. We might think everything is normal, but the universe is playing tricks on us. 3. We'd never know. Here's the funny part. If we really lived in a black hole, we might never know. Everything would feel normal to us. The stars would shine. The planets would spin. Your dog would still bark at the mailman. Life would go on. What about the science? Let's get a little more serious. Is there any real proof? Not yet. It's a cool idea, but it's hard to test. Black holes are far away and hard to study. We can't just hop in a spaceship and check. But scientists keep looking. They study the way black holes bend light. They look at the way the universe expands. They use big computers to run simulations. Maybe one day we'll find a clue. Until then, it's a fun idea to think about. What if we're not in a black hole? Maybe we're not in a black hole. Maybe our universe is just a universe. That's pretty cool too. But thinking about black holes helps us ask big questions. Where did we come from? What's outside our universe? Is there a cosmic cat somewhere knocking over cosmic cups? Why does this matter? You might wonder, why should I care if we're in a black hole? Here's why. Asking weird questions helps us learn. It makes us curious. It pushes science forward. Today's wild idea could be tomorrow's big discovery. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends at parties. Final thoughts. So, what if we're living in a black hole? Maybe we are, maybe we're not. Either way, the universe is full of mysteries. Black holes remind us how strange and wonderful space can be. They bend space, twist time, and spark our imagination. Next time you look up at the stars, remember, you might be looking out from inside a giant cosmic mystery. Or maybe you're just looking for your lost keys. Either way, keep asking questions. The universe is waiting. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Stay curious and don't fall into any black holes unless you want to see what's on the other side.